Hi, baby. Ooh, look at you stretching. Hi. Ooh, that must feel good. Hmm? Stretch. Good girl. Good girl, Pebbles. Hi, swirls. Oh, here come Tumbles. Hi, Tumbles. Older sister taking care of younger sister. Oh, sweet. What a good sister, huh, Pebbles? Older sister. Wow, she takes care of you. Hi, Tumbles. I don't suppose you've seen BJ. BJ, are you around? What's that, Tumbles? It looks like Oreo, but it's probably smoky. No, it's like smoky. Hi, Smokey. Why are you scratching? You got your flea meds. Hi, baby. Hi. Hi. Mars. Be nice. Hi, S'mores. It's okay. Hi, Sailor. Look at how Sailor walks. She's so cool. She's so cool. Are you hungry, baby? Hungry? Hungry? You want food? You want food? Okay. Food. You clean your teeth too? You do your claws and you're gonna...
Yeah, do your teeth. Yeah. Everything.
Rocky loves that spring.
She's carrying it.
Mm. Does that look like a sick cat? I mean, an injured cat. He's not really an injured cat. It's weird. Sometimes it seems like she can see, even though her cone is blocking her. It's almost like she can see.
Sound too, yeah.
She's a Jedi cat. Oh, can you get it on the shoe rack?
You got it? Oh no, she didn't have it.
You said I can't do it. I can't get it over there, human. You do it. Drink water? No? Okay. Now you know how to close your gate.
Because he was checking out to see, like, oh, what are they doing in the museum? Clearly, you can what he meant by checking out who's what they're doing in the other museum.
Ba-dum, 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 ba-dum. Hi, Pebbles. Hi. I had to take all the tents down because of the wind, the really high winds. It wasn't the rain. The rain would have been fine, but the wind was the gusty winds. The regular wind wasn't so bad. It was the gusty. The whole structure of the tent was bending and it stayed down, but it was gonna fly. I know it was gonna fly. So this is what the tent looks like without the tarps. Without the tarps. To move things around so they don't fly away. The tumbles. Trying to get butterflies. Butterflies are friends, Tumbles. They're pollinators. Pebbles will catch up in midair and eat it. Yeah, Pebbles. You're good at that, yeah? Pebbles. Yeah, baby. Hi. Not Tumbles. Butterfly. Monarch. It's eating. Uh-oh, look at that. See, that was sodden already. Some pebbles. Like, oh. There you go. Pebbles, you guys okay? Without the tent? Sorry. Yeah? Hi, baby. No. There's nothing over there. You don't need to go over there. Tumbles. No, you don't need to go there. Nothing there. There's nothing there. Tumbles. Stay home. There it goes. See, nothing there. Hi, Pebble. Going to the doghouse. Is that dry? Is it dry? Hi. Let's go see what Smokey is eating. The PJ's bed. Hi, Smokey, Smokey Bear. There's Twinkles. Hi, Twinkles. You okay? The t-shirts, is it dry? You should go back to sleep. Good night. It's Monday right now. Tuesday. I think the wind doesn't die down until Thursday completely, so a few more days. Rose is looking for more. She already ate 2 bowls. They're getting canned food because Twinkles doesn't care for dry food anymore. So we gotta make sure that she gets wet food, but she gets the most wet food and everybody else gets some. Hi, Bevels. Yeah, clean your teeth. That's how they clean their teeth, guys. Swirls, that's your third bowl. Well, I guess snooze you lose. Pebbles ate what you wanted. Pebbles, it's the same thing you had over here, Pebbles. Pebbles. Oh my gosh. She's trying to eat out of a tumbled bowl. Don't worry, you guys will get dry food.